Hi friends, welcome to Ruchi's Yummy Tummy. Today I will show you how to make Thai curry and rice. Some mixed vegetables what we would be needing to keep it in the curry. Now we are going to make curry. For that we would be needing 4 cups of water. Then you need 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 4 tablespoons of coconut powder, Meanwhile the curry is getting ready. Let's saute the veggies what we would be needing to add in the curries. Drizzle some oil. Add some French beans. Saute them till the time they tender. Once your green beans are cooked, then you can add some carrots. Then you can add bell peppers, baby corn, broccoli, celery stick, and the leaves. Saute these veggies and cover them with a lid. Till that time we'll see how the curry is being cooked. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Then we'll add 4 tablespoons of our green curry which we made. And 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And sprinkle some salt. Now you can see the boil has come and the consistency is becoming a little thicker. We've already sauteed our vegetables. I like to have little crunchy vegetables, so I've not sauteed them much. I'm adding them in the curry. If you don't want to make a curry at home of a dry coconut powder, then you can always use a coconut milk, which is also easy. The method I would show it in my description. Now time to add some tofu.
Is it firm tofu?
Yeah, this is a firm tofu. Get this into a boil. Once this starts boiling, then turn off the gas. How our green curry looks, and you can have it with the rice. If you like my recipe, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for future updates.